In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple sheets, Google Sheets tutorial. If you've ever cleaned up a big spreadsheet, you know deleting tabs one by one can be slow and error-prone. The good news is, Google Sheets lets you select multiple sheet tabs and remove them all at once. I'll show you two quick ways to select exactly what you need, then how to delete them in a single action. Before we start, a couple of quick notes for clarity. You can't delete the only remaining sheet in a file, and if a sheet is protected or you don't have permission, you won't be able to remove it. Also, consider making a copy of your file first if you're working on something important, just in case. Let's begin with picking specific sheets that aren't next to each other. Look at the tabs along the bottom of your Google Sheets window. Hold down the Control key on Windows or Chrome OS, or the Command key on a Mac, and click each tab you want to remove. As you click, those tabs will turn white to show they're selected. If you accidentally select the wrong tab, keep holding the key and click it again to deselect. This approach is perfect when you want to cherry pick a few tabs scattered throughout your workbook. If you want to grab a whole group in one go, use the range selection method. Click the first sheet in the group to highlight it, then hold the Shift key and click the last sheet in the range. Everything in between is selected instantly. This is ideal when you have a block of tabs you no longer need, like last year's monthly sheets or a series of drafts. Once your tabs are selected using either method, right-click any one of the highlighted tabs and choose Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Review the list of selected tabs to double-check you've got the right ones, then click OK. All the selected sheets will disappear at the same time. If you change your mind right after, you can use Undo to bring them back. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If your spreadsheet has lots of tabs, use the left and right scroll arrows beside the tab bar to navigate, and keep an eye on the white highlight so you don't lose track. Remember, you're deleting entire sheets, not just clearing data, so verify names before you confirm. That's it. Fast, precise, and done in seconds.